Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to lesson 2nd, periodic classification of elements. Classification of elements. Today 118 elements are known to scientific world. However, around year 1800 only about 30 elements were known. More number of elements were discovered in courses of time. You know that the initial classification of elements were classified into the groups of metal and non-metals and metalloid. What is meant by metalloid? A chemical elements with same of the properties of metal and same of non-metal. Dobereiner tried. In the year 1817, a German scientist, Dobereiner, suggested that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. He made groups of 3 elements, each having a similar chemical properties are called them triads. Dobereiner tried. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and show that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of atomic masses of other 2 elements. First example of Dobereiner triad. Group lithium, sodium and potassium. Atomic mass of lithium 6.9, sodium 23 and potassium 39.1. First find out mean of lithium and potassium. Mean is equal to Li plus K upon 2. Atomic mass of lithium 6.9 plus atomic mass of potassium 39.1 upon 2. 6.9 plus 39.6.9 39.1 is equal to 46. Write down 46 here upon 2. Then divided 23. 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. Means Dobereiner triad. काय म्हटलंय Dobereiner triad मध्ये? This series arrange the increasing order of atomic mass and show the atomic mass of middle elements was approximately equal to mean of the atomic mass of other 2 elements. This is example of Dobereiner triad rule. Second example, calcium, strontium, barium. Atomic mass of calcium 40.1, atomic mass of strontium 87.6, atomic mass of barium 137.3. First find out mean of calcium and barium is equal to 40.1 plus 137.3 divided by 2 is equal to addition करायची 177.4 upon 2. 2 ने डिवाइड किती आलं 88.7. Atomic mass of strontium was approximately equal to mean of atomic mass of calcium and barium. Newland's laws of octave. The English scientist John Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their properties in different way. In the year 1866, Newland arranged the elements known at time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. He started with the lightest element, hydrogen, and ended up the thorium. he found that every 8 elements has properties similar to those first. For example, sodium is 8 element and lithium, and both have similar property. Also, magnesium show the similar to beryllium, and chlorine show the similar with fluorine. Newlands compare this similarity with octave in music. He called the similarity observed in the 8 of the first element as the law of octave. In the Indian music system, there are 7 main notes, namely Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni, and their collection is called Saptak. The frequency of the notes goes on increasing from Sa to Ni. Then comes the Sa of the upper Saptak at the double the frequency of the original Sa. It means that notes repeated after completion of one Saptak means Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa. The 7 notes in the Western music are Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. The notes Do having double the original frequency come against at the 8th place. This is octave of Western notes. Music is created by the varieties in the use of these notes. Newlands limitation. First, this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Newlands fitted all the known elements in the table of 7 into 8 means 56 boxes. Newland placed 2 elements each in some boxes to accommodate all the known elements in the table. For example, cobalt and nickel, ceruleum and lanthanum. Moreover, he placed some elements with different properties under the same notes in octave. For example, Newlands places the metal cobalt nickel under the notes Do along the halogen, while Fe having the similar with cobalt and nickel. Away from the along with the non-metal oxygen and sulfur under the note tin, also Newlands. Octave did not have a provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. The property of new element discovered later on did not fit in the Newlands law of octave. Mendeleev periodic table. The Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table of element during the period 1869 to 1872. Dmitry Mendeleev was a professor in the St. Petersburg University. He made separate card for every known element showing its atomic mass. He arranged the card in the accordance with the atomic masses and properties of the element, which resulted in the invention of the periodic table of elements. Mendeleev periodic table is the most important step in the classification of element. Mendeleev considered the fundamental properties of element, namely the atomic mass, as standard and arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic mass. Then he transferred this into the periodic table of elements in accordance with the physical and chemical properties of these elements. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of chemical and physical properties of element. These were the molecular formula of hydrides and oxide of elements. For example, lithium oxide Li2O and sodium oxide Na2O, and hydrides LiH and NaH is the chemical properties of element. Melting point, density and boiling point of the elements and their hydrides and oxide. Mendeleev found that the elements with similar physical and chemical properties repeated after a definite interval. On the basis of the finding, Mendeleev started periodic law. The vertical column in Mendeleev periodic table are called group, while the horizontal row are called periods. Merits of Mendeleev periodic table. First, atomic mass of some elements were revised so as to give them proper place in the periodic table in accordance with their properties. For example, atomic mass of beryllium 14.09 was changed to the correct value 9.4. Mendeleev kept some blank places in the periodic table. These vacant places were for elements that were yet to be discovered. He also predicted the properties of these elements even before they were discovered. Later, the predictions were found to be correct. Three unknown elements, Ica boron, Ica aluminium, and Ica silicon, and their atomic mass 44, 68, and 72. Their properties were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered and named scandium Sc, gallium Ga, and germanium Ge respectively. Third, there was no place reserved for noble gases in Mendeleev's original periodic table. However, when noble gases such as helium, neon, and argon were discovered towards the end of the 19th century, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table, in which the noble gases were fitted very well. Demerits of Mendeleev periodic table. Number 1. The whole number atomic mass of elements cobalt and nickel is the same, therefore there was no obligatory regarding their sequence in the Mendeleev periodic table. Second, isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth of the periodic table. As isotopes have same chemical properties but different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in the Mendeleev periodic table. Third, when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. Fourth, position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen group. 7. For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formula of fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2 respectively. In the same way, there is a similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals group. First, there is a similarity in the molecular formula of the compound hydrogen, alkali metal, Na, sodium, potassium, K, etc. From with the chlorine and oxygen. On considering the above property, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen in the group of alkali metals group first or in group of halogen group 7.